guys, is we need slots A2 and B2. We're going to make sure that that lines up.
Done on my PC, you feel me? Just a little update. I put my NVMe SSD 1 terabyte in this shit. Goddamn, you feel me? I just put my cooler on this motherfucker. Yes, my hands are ashy. It's cold in Florida. I put in my my RAM sticks, and yeah, I think I'm good to put it in the case. You feel me? I put the shield for this in the case. You feel me? So yeah. I got the motherboard and the CPU cooler fan mounted into the case. And I just put the power supply mounted into the case. So got my fans plugged in. Got my audio plugged in. My front panel plugged in. So that's all this stuff should be. And then these fans, I am gonna have to get another fan for the back. But that's for another time. Now we gotta do power supply cables plugged into the motherboard. So I'm building my first PC. I got the front panel plugged in, the HD audio, the fans. I am gonna have to get another radiator fan. And the funny thing about this, I had to get a bigger case. The first case I got was way too fucking small. So that clearance right there, my panel on the first PC case that I bought would have been right on this if I didn't have a fan. If I had a fan mounted on the side panel, this shit wouldn't have fit. So yeah, I had to get a bigger case. And this shit is definitely bigger. Then after I do that, I'm gonna plug in the graphics card. And then, yeah, we should be able to cut it on and see if it works. Okay, so I got my SATA, my 500 gigabyte SATA plugged in, installed behind the motherboard on the bracket somewhere back there. I got my graphics card put in. I already put the little other plates back in that I don't need. I plugged a bunch more stuff in. Yeah, I gotta do something. I gotta do something about this, but we'll do something about that. Let's see if I can follow fucking instructions, directions. It's plugged up. Got the fans how I wanted. Got as much wire management, you know. Got it clean in there. You feel me? So let's see if this bitch go. I'm so nervous right now. Okay, so one of the fans are on. That one's not, and the one on top isn't. Oh wow.
The CPU fan on.
Okay, okay, so we know the motherboard is good. See that white light on that motherboard? That mean I just gotta set up my drivers. But yeah, nah, this shit was definitely an experience. And yes, I know, I only got 3 fans. This is the optimal setup for what I got. This shit's beautiful. So now we're waiting for the BIOS screen to pop up so we can run the if you know, you know. It's crazy. I ain't even how to do nothing. We're in. Yes, sir. Had to run the Ethernet cable so I can get the Wi-Fi capabilities to install the drivers for the updates for the drivers for the updates for the drivers.
What'd you type in?
A soft mouse pad. Installing Windows 11 right now. You feel me? Now I'm ChasenBandz. All right. I already know it worked and everything. But now that it's in its proper place, this is probably where it's gonna be. Shout out to Yoshi up there, the cameraman. Yeah, let's cut it on. And I also, in the other video, the other clip, you're gonna see that the fan colors were out of sync. I just had to go into the MSI center and set it up. Oh, right there. Oh, I didn't plug it into the power strip. Uno momento. Take two. I'm just so in amazement. The camera's on. There you go. Fuck, I need a keyboard.